Welcome to the project demonstration of image-based calling system along with heartbeat and temperature monitoring with audible alerts. So here we are going to provide the audible alerts through this API 3383 and a speaker. So the main purpose of this project is whenever the emergency situations in emergency like room, so whenever the patient gets high heart rate or high body temperature, so then the speaker will announce the alertness through this audible alerts with the playback recorder. Already we have stored some voices inside this and that will be played. And also whenever he want the help or food or water, then when he press on this region, then the system will recognize that his needness and it will announce the same through this voice module. And also so-called status continuously displayed on the LCD screen along with heart rate, temperature, and when he need that, it will be displayed on the LCD screen. The whole system will get 5 volts power supply from this adapter, and that was given to the PIC microcontroller motherboard. So on this motherboard we can see this is the reset switch to restart the microcontroller along with crystal oscillator. The main purpose of the crystal oscillator is it will provide the 20 megahertz clock frequency pulses to the microcontroller per second. So 20 megahertz pulses per second means it can execute the 20 mega instructions per second. So one clock pulse for the instruction. So then coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced this heartbeat sensor. This is a pulse sensor which will provide the analog output along with LM35 temperature sensor. These two are interfaced at A0, A1 pins of our microcontroller along with this touchscreen also interfaced at A2 pins of our PIC microcontroller, as these are providing the analog output. So we need to read the analog voltage. So for that purpose we need to interface at that particular pins only, A0, A1, A2. And coming to the voice module, interface at C0 to C3 and C5, C6, C7 and like these 7 pins are interfaced to the voice module, and LCD module interfaced at the B2 to B7. So these are the interfacing connections, and let us see the demonstration. So once we provide the power supply to the adapter, hold the place a finger on the heartbeat sensor initially.
Project image-based calling system.
Right. So we'll show you the LCD. So you can see the LCD like heartbeat and body temperature. Right. So whenever the person touches his needs,
Call the doctor. Call the doctor. I need water. I need food.
so till you hold that, it will keep on announcing the same voice
I
output.
need food. I need water.
Right. Whenever the high heart rate is occurred, just
Heart rate.
like just you are moving the finger fast on the heartbeat sensor, then it will provide the high heart rate.
High heart rate.
Right. So like when you heat up this temperature sensor also, there you will get the high temperature audible alerts through this API 3383. So this is the audio playback recorder. It can store 3-second voice out of 8 voices. So each voice off should be 3 seconds maximum duration. Like that 8 voices will be stored in this module. So now we have stored the 7 voices including the welcome message.